Hello students, welcome back to Statistics by Savita. Today I am discussing inventory theory chapter. Inventory theory. Inventory theory out of 5 model question papers. In the 3 model question paper is having a compulsory question, this one. It's inventory theory, 5 marks in section E. Okay. So according to your demand, I decided to do this one. The first, the theory part I will send you in the Telegram page, in the Telegram channel. Today I am discussing directly the problems, because 5 marks problems compulsory they ask in section E. The various formulas used with respect to a model 1 and model 2 are as follows. The formulas are there. This table is a very important. The EOQ or ELS, the economic order quantity or economic lot size it is. This model 1 is having Q is equals to the square root of 2C3R by C1. Okay. What is a model 1 and model 2? Model 1 and model 2, here it is given, that is the two model 1 is having the EOQ or ELS model with a uniform demand, instantaneous production and shortages are not allowed and lead time is 0. Here the uniform demand is there, instantaneous production is there, shortages are not there. According to this diagram, just you observe, this is an inventory carried. Inventory is, means that is a physical stock of goods it is. It is a one good, again the next good, again the next good. No shortages are allowed in this, the model 1. But in the model 2 is having uniform demand is there, instantaneous production is there, but the shortages are allowed and lead time is 0. Shortages are allowed here. Just you observe, this is a one inventory carried, and here for this, the second inventory, there is a gap here. That is a penalty or shortages. Okay, this is a Q minus S. That is a maximum shortage level. Okay. According to this, the formulas are there. The model 1 is having no C2 value. What is a C3, CR, C1 means? Here, the R means the demand rate. And C1 is a holding cost. C1 is a holding cost or carrying cost it is. Okay. Then C2 is a shortage cost. Or penalty cost it is. C3 is a setup cost. Okay. Here the 2C3R by C1. What is given? The setup cost, the demand rate and the holding cost is there. Then what is the reorder time? T is equals to Q divided by this, whatever the demand rate is given, that R you have to take it. The frequency of a replenishment or number of replenishment, that is equals to N is equals to 1 by T, that is. The minimum average cost is C of Q is equals to the square root of 2C1C3R. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈಗ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವರು ಎರಡನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಐದರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ EOQ or ELS and minimum average cost, or this and this they ask a question. Okay. Then model 2 is having a shortages allowed. That's why if have to take it, Q is equals to same 2C3R by C1 only, but the square root of C1 plus C2 divided by C2. Then T is equals to a Q divided by R. The same, N is equals to 1 divided by T. and C of Q, that is a minimum average cost, that is shortages are there, that's why they are written as a yes. That is equals to square root of 2 C1 C3 R into square root of C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Maximum question they ask up to this only. In a very rare case they ask as a maximum inventory level and maximum shortage level. And that is maximum inventory level is S is equals to C2Q divided by C1 plus C2, and the maximum shortage level is Q minus S. This is model 1 and model 2. You have to keep remember this one. You have to buy it compulsory. Then here the example is there. That is what is given in the example. Just I will show you. The manufacturer has to supply 12,000 units of a product per year to a customer. The inventory holding cost is rupees 0.20 per unit per month, and the setup cost per run is rupees 350. Determine, the first one is optimum lot size, reorder time, frequency of replenishment and minimum average cost. What is given? Just I am writing here. Okay. Then first you have to write in the question R is equals to what is given, that is a 12,000 units per year it is given. Just you observe, you have to be observing the question what is given per year, per month, per day it is given. Just you have to observe and you have to write it first. Then the holding cost or carrying cost, that is a C1. C1 is equals to, it is given 0.20. 0.20 per month it is. The 0.20 units per unit per month it is. Okay. Then the setup cost is rupees 350. Replenishment cost or setup cost, that is a 350. This is given in the question. C1, C3 and R is given. Then what you have to do, just you observe here, this is year is there and this one is a month is there. Then you have to what is holding cost is there. According to this, you have to convert our demand rate. Okay, you have to convert a demand rate. Here the R is equals to the 12,000 divided by 12 month. Then you are getting as a per month here. The per month 1000 units per month it is. Per month. Okay. Then you converted, and after that what is given, according to that you have to write it. The first question, that is a Q is equals to the square root of 2C3R by C1. 2C3R by C1. Just you substitute all the values in the formula. 2 into 350 into 1000 divided by C1 is, that is a 0.20. Then after calculating, multiplying and dividing this one, don't forget to take a square root. That is answer is 1870.82. That is 1871 units. Okay, that is first one. What is the second one? Second one is a T is equals to a Q divided by R. That is 1870.82 divided by 1000. Then the answer is 1.87 per month. The 1.87 per month it is. The time is. The third one is, what is N is equals to a 1 divided by T, that is 1 divided by 1.87. Then you are getting as answer as 0.87 5344 orders per month. This is third one. Then the fourth one is, that is a C of Q. That is C of Q is equals to the square root of 1 2C1 C3 R. Then you are substituting all the values in the formula. Then you are getting answer as 374 multiplying and square root you are taking, that is a 374.166. This is a one type of example. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, C1 C3 they are giving in the question. Then in the textbook the second question they given as a year and year only. Then you calculate it directly what is given in the question. And the one more type is there, that is I will show you how to take. Okay, the stockist has to supply 300 units of a product every month to his customer. He gets the product at rupees 50 per unit from the manufacturer. The cost of carrying inventory is at 12% per year of the cost of the product. The ordering cost is rupees 75 per order. Suggests the most economic order policy. Okay. Then what is given in the questions? In this question, R is equals to 300 per month it is given. Per month it is given. Then product at rupees unit 50. Okay. Then C3 is equals to, that is rupees 75. That is a 75 ordering cost or setup cost it is called, replenishment cost. Then the one more is C1 is equals to P into I, because here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐತಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. I is equals to 12% of the capital cost ಅಂದಂಗ. ಈಗ I is equals to 12% of the capital cost. Then P is equals to, that is a 50 rupees of 50 per unit from the manufacturer ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಐತಿ ಅಂದಾಗ C1 is equals to P into I, that is 50 into 12%, 12 divided by 100 you have to take it. Then you are getting as a 6 per year it is given. 12% per year ಅಂದಾರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, per year andar. That's why you have to, the carrying cost is per year, but our demand rate is per month it is. That's why you have to convert this into a year. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮಗಾಗಲೇ, ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ರೇಟನ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ರೇಟ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. 3600 per year it is. It becomes as a 3600 per year. Then what is given in the question, according to that you go on substitute and calculate the value. This is C1 is over C3 and R is given. Then according to question, if they are asking as a what is suggest the most economic order policy, means you have to calculate all the four, that is a Q is equals to 2C3R by C1 and T is equals to Q divided by R, N is equals to 1 by T and C of Q is equals to the square root of 2C1 C3 and R. Okay, this is a one type. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ 1 ಒಳಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದೊಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಒಂದು ಇದು P into I you have to calculate. Then ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್, that is C2 they are giving, that is a penalty cost or that is also called as a shortage cost or penalty cost. A firm has to supply 80 electric motors every week to a customer. The setup cost is rupees 280. The inventory maintenance cost is rupees 15 per unit per year, and inability to supply the motors in a time cost rupees 100 per unit per year. Suggest an inventory policy which is the most economical. But in the examination, in exam olaga ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯೂ or ELS or T or frequency and the maximum inventory level they are asking compulsory. Then here what is given? Penalty cost, inability to supply. Inability to supply means that is a okay. Here the if have to convert this 80 per week is given, 80 into 52, that is a 4162. 52 weeks means you are multiplying, means that comes as in the year. Then C3 is a setup cost, C1 is a maintenance cost, and C2 is a penalty cost or inability to supply or shortage cost. Then the first question is 2C3 are by C1 in the square root of C1 plus C2 divided by C2. Then how to calculate this one? Then you are multiplying these 3 divided by 50, then you are plus divided by 100, then you take a square root and then you take a square root of this and you are multiplying both the values and you are getting as a answer here. Okay, this is a shortage cost. Shortage cost, how to calculate this one? Okay, calculate all these sums. Okay, there is a demand for 1000 items per year. The replenishment cost is rupees 100, 200. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಒಮ್ಮೊಮ್ಮೆ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸತಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಹಿಯರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು. ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ರೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10,000. The replenishment cost means that is C3. The maintenance cost is C1 per item per year. Replenishment is instantaneous and shortages are not allowed. And the shortages are not allowed means you have to use a model 1 only. Model 1 olaga matte per year aitidu. Then this one is also per year. Then take all the 3 values and calculate this one. Okay. Then the annual demand for an item is rupees 3000 units. Capital cost is rupees 7 the per unit. Inventory carrying cost is 20%. The capital cost per annum, and if setup cost is rupees 150 determined. 20% bantala illa percentage olag banditandre that is I. That is a I. That is I means capital cost is rupees 7 and the P idu I 20%. Demand rate is R. And setup cost is rupees 150. Setup cost is 150. Okay. The stockist has to supply 400 units of a product every Monday to his customer. Every Monday andagare idu that is a per week andangida. He gets the product at rupees 50 per unit from the manufacturer. The cost of ordering and transportation from the manufacturer is rupees 75. Andre idu nodri illi transportation ordering cost andara. This is C3. Then product P is equals to 50. 7.5% is I. Then you have to find the economic lot size and the minimum average cost. You have to calculate the minimum average cost. Then if you know the given data, you can calculate easily. You know the formulas, just you substitute the formulas, substitute all the values and you calculate neatly. Okay, calculate correctly. Don't forget to take a square root. The next example, the demand for the commodity is at a constant rate of rupees 200 units per year. There is an inventory in which setup cost under C3, that is 800 production run, holding cost is rupees 10, that is holding cost is C1, and the shortage cost is rupees 12, that is a C2. Find the economic order quantity and maximum shortage level. Find the economic order quantity matte shortage level. Then shortage level aiti shortage cost kottarandaga you have to use a model 2 what is economic order first one ಮತ್ತೆ maximum shortage level you have to find out here. The next one, the demand for an item rupees is 700 units per year. The cost of playing an order is rupees 7. The holding cost is rupees 10 per year. The cost of shortage is rupees 3 per unit. Find EOQ and time between the orders. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನೀವು ಪಿ ಮತ್ತು ಐ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದರೊಳಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಮ್ಮೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ or this is also called as a maintenance cost. Maintenance cost, that is C1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಆಯ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೂ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ರೇಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಅ penalty cost. Okay, then penalty cost or inability to supply ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಶೀಟು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. This one setup cost means the setup cost is a transportation cost or replenishment cost. It is also called as, or ordering cost antivi, that is a ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ordering cost. That is a setup cost. Okay, got it na? These I hope this is clear to you, all the students. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like and comment the video. Do all the exercise sums.